We're here after dark with my mum.
We're in the Turbine Hall.
Which museum?
The Tate Modern.
How old are you?
5 3/4.
So how big do you think this is?
Enormous. That tall. Super tall.
Is it little?
No.
Or is it big?
It's super tall.
How do you think they got everything up here?
We come here, this is not an exaggeration, at least once a week because it feels comfortable to him. It's always a joy to go with him because he's autistic and he's nonverbal. I think it just gives him a chance to have a conversation that he can have on his terms without anyone imposing their views or telling him he has to do certain things. It's just him and the piece, and whatever he wants to do with that piece is his own.
I love taking Ace to the museum. I like to open his mind and his world up a little bit.
It's not me telling her how to feel, it's me exposing her to this in an environment for her to experience it herself.
Especially at this age, it really just helps her to engage all of her senses. With everything so digitally focused at the moment, I think it's so important for her to just connect with sounds and touch and space.
With colors and shapes, she notices stuff that I wouldn't even see until she tells me.
He kind of likes the calm. Even when museums are busy, they kind of have a sense of calm. Look, Chase. That is very, very cool. And from this angle, that looks like a recycled wedding dress.
Okay, what's your favourite bit about this one?
Halo.
The halos.
And the nets. The thing that looks really cool is that hanging thing up there.
The thing in the middle,
Yeah.
it looks a little bit like a dream catcher, doesn't it? With
Yeah, that I
necklaces
have
on.
in my room.
Zoe, what do you think of this up there? What do you think of it?
Amazing.
What does it look like to you?
It looks like pieces. A beehive. It looks like a big wind sign.
Stella!
Playing. I'm going to run away.
It's the dream piece. I mean, we don't want it to leave, and when it does leave, we're going to be heartbroken.
What do you like about the space?
Super happy.